Hello viewers, welcome to GV Explorer. Today I am coming up with another interesting video which we usually prefer in summer, that is Fuljar Soda. Kerala is a land of wonderful varieties of beverages. This is a Kerala special summer drink which everyone loves this. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. A bunch of coriander leaves and pudina leaves, salt for the taste, 1-inch slice of ginger, 1 lemon, green chilies as per the spiciness, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, also called as sabja. Here soak the sabja in water for about 10 minutes. Soda. So let's get started and check out the preparation. Now take a mixie jar, add ginger, pudina leaves, coriander leaves, green chilies, required amount of salt, squeeze lemon, and blend this into a fine smooth paste. Now take 2 glasses, 1 large and 1 small glass. Add 2 tablespoons of grinded paste into small glass. Now pour soda into 3/4 quantity in a large glass. Now slowly drop the short glass into the large glass filled with soda. It will turn frothy and will overflow. Add extra soda for filling your taste. Add 1 tablespoon of sabja into it and start gulping it down and enjoy. Now our tasty Fuljar Soda is ready. This Fuljar Soda has an intensive mint lime chili flavor and you will feel the heat from the green chili. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video and wanted to hear from me again, please hit the subscribe button and add your valuable comments.